Hey guys, what's up? What's up? I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I am gonna be trying BRENNAS hair. This is the box the week came in. It also brought all of these little goodies, and this is the hair I'm gonna be trying today. It is a 22 inches natural color straight lace front wig. I already bleached the knots and plucked the wig a little bit so I can just move on to installation. I'm gonna start by putting some foundation on the lace to make sure it matches my skin. This is not a mandatory step, but I always recommend people to put some foundation so it matches with the skin. And then I went ahead and I put my wig caps. I'm gonna use a black cap just to secure my hair because I did not do a braid down for these installations. I was being lazy. And then I'm gonna put just a regular tan wig cap on top, and I'm gonna also put the same foundation I used for my wig for the lace on the wig cap. I'm also not gonna be doing no ball cap method. I like to do ball cap methods, however I only do it when I know that I'm gonna have the wig on for a little bit longer than just a day or two. So for today I'm just gonna do regular cap installation. When I'm done putting foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little alcohol pad and I'm gonna clean my forehead and the area where I'm gonna be gluing the wig to make sure it doesn't have any buildup from the foundation. So this is a close-up of the wig. As you guys can see, she is pretty. I did not do too much plucking. I feel like this is just enough plucking and it looks perfect. I also bleached the knots and it took me 2 tries. I don't know why, but the first time I tried to bleach the knots, it did not pick the color. But anyways, I did it the second time. So the next step, it's gonna be to cut the extra lace on the sides so it can fit around my ears correctly. And then I'm gonna do small sections. I usually work in 3 sections, but I also wanted to show you guys that you can do multiple sections if you're a beginner and you wanna make sure you're being precise and neat with your work. Working in sections is always the best idea if you're a beginner, just to make sure you don't get that many mistakes. I'm using Ebine lace spray to glue my wig just because you guys already know the drill. That's what works for me. And I like to start installing my wig from the middle section to make sure I get the wig centered and it's all where it's supposed to be. And basically what I'm gonna do is just repeat the same step in every single side, just like I'm gonna do like 3 coats of the spray. I'm gonna make sure I dry the layers of spray from time to time to make sure it's tacky, and then when it's ready, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the lace in place and press down with the rat tail comb and my blow dryer.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. But I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else, true. Nobody bottom of the dick. I don't wanna slap me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Bottom of the world. Hey, wait a minute, talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels like I got you to know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life.
As you guys can see here, I am basically done gluing my wig. You want to make sure the glue is completely dry before you even cut the lace or you put an elastic band. This is a close-up of how the wig looks like, all glued down, literally melted down so nicely. I love Ibang lace, and this wig is just so easy to install. So the next thing I'm gonna do is cut my lace. I do this like as I explained in a few other videos. I cut my lace before putting my elastic band because that's how I get less lifting. And I also did not do any baby hairs with this wig because, you know, sometimes when it comes to, there's something about straight hair and no baby hair that just, you know, drives me crazy. I love it. Yeah.
I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and
So as you guys can see, I did get a little bit of lifting, mostly close to my ears, and that's completely normal. What I'm gonna do is take some spray and put it on the end of my rat tail comb and then slowly apply it on the areas where it's needed, and I'm gonna make sure it's all dry before I can move on to anything else. This was surprisingly a very easy installation. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I just did the bare minimum, but like honestly, when the hair is nice, like, you know, the hair is so soft, like this is the hair without me even like flat ironing it or anything like that. I literally like I bleached the knots, plucked the wig, and then I washed and dry it and let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. It literally looks like I already did some work on it. The hair stayed straight the whole time and it was just so easy. To style the hair, I'm gonna start by pressing down the wig because we don't want no bulky wig. Like, it's 2023, we don't do that. Like, we don't do that, point blank period. So I'm gonna use my hot comb and I'm gonna press down the wig at the top so it can be as flat and natural looking as possible. Honestly, I was being lazy. Usually I work in sections, but I was being so lazy and I was like, you know what, this is straight hair and the hair, it's literally already so silky. It's not gonna take me that much time to do it in one pass, and as you guys can see, it worked out. I did not have to work in sections. I did put the wax stick in sections though, but I just pressed it down all at once because I was just being lazy. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my elastic band.
Feel it in my body feels like fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want it to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah.
To style the hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and press it on a little bit more with my flat iron. I'm using BioSilk as a heat protectant today. But anyways guys, we are reaching the end of this video. As you guys can see, this hair was easy to install, it was easy to style, it looks amazing. The lace melted so nicely. I forgot to mention, but it's a Swiss HD lace, so yeah, get into it. This is how the hair looks at the end. It looks so beautiful. I'm so happy I got to try this wig. I was a little bit skeptical at the beginning. Like I said, it took a little bit long to bleach the knots, but it might have been my products because the results were beautiful. As you guys can see, this is what the hair looks like after flat ironing it. This is how melted the lace looks like. And yeah guys, this is absolutely everything. I'm gonna have all the information in the description box, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like this video, and check out my other social media. I will have it somewhere here on the screen. Love you so much. Muchísimos besitos. Mwah. Bye.